We're up on top of a hill in the middle of the woods. There's a long, windy driveway to get to the brewery itself. Once you get here, it really is a magical place. The Treehouse CoolFit installation project was a very physical, demanding project, and I was very proud to have my son Tyler with me on this project. I'm a third-generation pipe fitter, and Tyler's a fourth-generation pipe fitter. And we've been installing CoolFit for probably just under 10 years at different brewery facilities.
CoolFit is a unique product. It's nice to be able to install the product with the installation already on it. We don't need to have a pipe fitter come in, pipe fit, and then have the installation installer come in afterwards. Our application here at Treehouse is chilled glycol. We use it mostly for fermentation of our beer.
In support of this project at Treehouse, we help them with their design and their layout and sizing of the system as well. Both the brewery and the contractor understand how the system should work and the efficiencies of the piping system.
Any loss of temperature from the chiller to the furthest fermenting vessel is a potential for degraded product or not consistent quality product. They couldn't maintain the low temperature on the consistent basis with any other piping system.
Here at Treehouse, all of our chillers are located outside. Because the GF pipe is fully insulated, it makes the chillers run much more efficient.
CoolFit's popular with a lot of breweries because of the fact that for some startup breweries, they'll do the installation themselves. You don't have to hire a piping contractor. They like it for that, and once they experience that, they realize how easy it is to install, and especially with it being pre-insulated, it's a huge advantage for them. And then going into a brewery of this size, they do hire an outside contractor to come in and do an install such as this size. And then it also gives the exposure to the contractors as well about how easy it is to install a pre-insulated piping system such as CoolFit.
The pre-programmed weld parameters and the barcode scanner made the joint sealing very simple and very reliable. We did probably close to 800 joints on this particular project. A good percentage of them probably 22 feet up in the air, and not one leak occurred. So that speaks for itself.
Treehouse has a lot of CoolFit materials, but that's not it. They also have our Fuse Seal piping system, and they do have some of our vinyl CPVC automated valves as well.
We use their actuated valves on the supply side of the tanks, and they are very easy to know when the valve is open or closed for the lights that are on them.
Ultimately, we selected CoolFit for the efficiency and the longevity of the system itself. There's no leakage at all. It's a solid, sealed system, and any other system is not. Simple. It's not. The support that we got from GF Piping Systems was spot on. Any type of educating of our technicians, from installation to fitting selection to design of the system, and support right from the factory on right down through the sales team. Really can't beat them.